Akoshia's tasty recipe. Tasty recipe.
Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how I made my Gari Fotor. Okay, so please stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to steam my meat. So I'm using goat meat. You can use any protein that you prefer. Okay, so wash and then cut them into the sizes that you want. And then I'm going to add garlic, ginger, bell pepper and onion blend. I added some seasoning and salt. Mix everything together and then cover and allow it to steam for 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes the goat meat is done, so I'll turn off the heat and set it aside. So the next thing I'm going to do is to heat some oil and then fry the goat meat for about 7 minutes. I don't want it so dry, okay? If you do want it like that, you can fry it more than 7 minutes. And then once it's done, go ahead and then add your vegetables. So I'm using yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell peppers, and then red onion. Right, so stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes and then pour it in a bowl and set it aside. Yes, this is exactly how you want it. So the next thing I'll be doing is the stew for the Gari Fotor. So in the same pot, I added sliced onions. If you want extra oil, you can add, but I do not want too much oil in my food. Then stir fry for a few minutes and then add about 50 grams of tomato paste. Then stir for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and add some tomato and chili blend. Yes. And then mix everything together, then add the delicious goat meat stock. Mix everything together and then cover and allow it to cook for 7 minutes. Okay, so after 7 minutes I'll be adding my spices. I'm just using curry powder and all-pepper spice. Please feel free to use any spices of your choice. Once everything goes in, go ahead and stir everything together and then cover and allow it to cook on low heat for extra 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes the stew is ready. Just turn off the heat and set it aside. So now to my secret step that I use for my Gari Fotor to have that unique flavor. I add unsalted butter to a pan and then I'll add my Gari. Okay, and then I'll stir fry this on a high heat. Then I'll add some turmeric powder. You can use curry powder as well. Then mix until you will see that the Gari is very crunchy. All right, and then turn off the heat. Okay, so now it's time to assemble it. All right, so in the mixing bowl the Gari is there and then I'll be adding some shredded carrots. Then I'll mix everything together and then the next thing I'll be adding is that delicious stew. All right, so go ahead and add as much as you want and then mix until it's finely mixed or properly mixed. All right, then I will be adding that stir-fried goat and the peppers and onions that we made earlier. I also have some fried plantain that's aside if you want, and then I'll be adding some parsley to improve the flavor of the Gari. Gari shouldn't be left out. Okay, let's make it a twist. And then I've also bought some eggs that I'll be adding to this. Oh my goodness, it's ready to be served. Go ahead and then just garnish it anyhow you want it and then enjoy. Make it as fancy as you want. Gari is high in carbs, but once you mix all these veggies with protein, it becomes healthy. I hope you like my method and then you're going to give it a try. Okay, please, if you do like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. And to my new subscribers and my returning subscribers, you are all welcome to this channel. Okay, stay connected for more recipes. Please don't forget to follow me on all social media handles, and then stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. God bless you all. I love you all. Bye.
Akosha recipe, we get the recipe. Akosha recipe, we go give you recipe.